Craving that irresistible sweet and tangy Costco orange chicken from the comfort of your own kitchen? Get ready to unlock the secrets to a perfectly crispy, flavor-packed meal in minutes. First things first, let's grab our star ingredient, the Costco orange chicken. We're going to be working with this entire family-sized pack. The key to achieving that coveted crispy texture lies in how we prepare it for cooking. Spread the frozen chicken pieces out in a single layer on a baking pan. Don't overcrowd the pan, as this will steam rather than crisp up the chicken. Now, give your chicken a light mist of cooking spray. This helps to achieve an extra golden and crispy exterior. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Pop that pan into the oven and we're going to bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway through for even cooking. While our chicken is getting beautifully crisp, let's turn our attention to that iconic orange sauce. Open up the sauce packet and pour all of its deliciousness into a small saucepan. Place the saucepan over medium heat. We just want to gently warm this sauce through, not boil it. Give it a stir occasionally to ensure it's heated evenly. Our chicken is out of the oven and looking absolutely perfect. See that beautiful golden brown crispiness? That's exactly what we're after. Now for the magic moment, carefully pour the warmed orange sauce over the crispy chicken pieces in a large bowl. Gently toss the chicken to coat every single piece with that luscious sauce. Make sure each bite is going to be bursting with that signature sweet and tangy flavor. And there you have it, delicious, crispy, and perfectly sauced Costco orange chicken, ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot, maybe with some white rice, and get ready for a truly satisfying meal.